Which brings me to legal, guys. I had no idea how many different legalities affected my business. Learn the law and don't get yourself into trouble. From business entities to labor laws to protecting my intellectual property to contracts, the list of my legal needs are lengthy. Trust me, I have a whole list in my email right now, tens of thousands of dollars from my attorneys. Legal expertise is extremely important and can be costly. I'm fortunate to have a stepfather who is a successful attorney who helps me a ton, but not everybody has this asset on hand, and honestly, he can't help me with everything. So in my future modules, I'm going to share everything that I've learned personally. You can sign up for Gottlieb, Rackman, and Reisman's newsletter for IP info, actually, it's great, but each industry has specific rules and regulations, so I'd say you have to consult with an expert in your industry and do research. On top of laws, you may need to develop standardized contracts like non-disclosure agreements, work for hire agreements, cease and desists, blah, blah, blah. You might need to develop a licensing contract or terms of a business deal or an inventory on loan contract. Once you develop these templates, save them for future use. You don't want to spend the same money twice, so make sure you put them in a safe place that you can access them over and over again. If you can't afford an attorney, I'd say look at programs like LegalZoom for more cost-efficient solutions, but staying on top of your legal is very important.